shadows he does wander, where the moon hides scared behind. Mr. Miyaga's tales they thunder, whispers float along the wind. Oh, but who dares to listen to the secret he holds tight? In his eyes the stars do glisten, drawing you into the night. Children race from darkened corners, fearing steps they cannot see. Hide your laughter, shut the shutters, Mr. Miyaga's close and free. Oh, but who dares to listen to the secret he holds tight? In his eyes the stars do glisten, drawing you into the night. Legends tell of his dark power, hands that chill the warmest heart, living in a crooked tower. From our dreams he'll never part. Silent as the brook at dawn, schemes in shadows deep and grim. From a whisper stories drawn, lost in tales that speak of him. So